Hi viewers, welcome to Feel Your Soul. Thank you for watching. So today it's a collective reading. So I will put 3 cards from this deck. Based on the 3 cards, the reading will go. Okay. If any one of the energy or the complete situation is matching with you, you can watch this reading. Anyway, timestamps will be available. So whatever energy you think that is your energy, your current energy, you can choose and watch that. Okay, so let's get into the reading. 3 cards. So here the 3 cards are, one is Hierophant, Taurus, one is 5 of Pentacles, Leo, or sorry, it is also Taurus. 5 of Pentacles, Taurus, Hierophant also Taurus, Justice, Libra. Okay, so Taurus, Libra. And here the Hierophant is like a very traditional person, or who follows lot of tradition, who belongs to the family follows lot of traditions, lot of rules and regulations, or someone who is head of some kind of institution, religious, especially religious institution or spiritual institution, where they give advice or suggestions to people who come towards them. Okay, so let's clarify actually who is this Hierophant, about what it is. We will get little bit more clarity, whether it is regarding just traditions or is this marriage energy. Okay, 3 clarifies. Three clarifies for Hierophant. 3 clarifies for the Hierophant. 2 more, 1 more. Still there is no clarity about what this Hierophant is. Either it is, see, as of now I will take it as this Hierophant is a person who is in some kind of position where people respect them, where people seek blessing from them, or at least they have some honorable position in the society, or wherever they are. Okay, in the location, wherever they are, their people respect them, they give respect to that person as an elder person. Okay, or it is like they may be by these cards, it is like they may be showing them to the society as a spiritual person. Okay, the Hierophant is like a spiritual leader or spiritual guru who have spiritual knowledge, who give spiritual knowledge, or it is like share spiritual knowledge to others. And this person is a single person. Here it is, a Hierophant is a marriage card. Maybe they belong to traditional family. That is also one reason people respect them, people listen to them, because they maybe follow a lot of traditions and all. But here, based on this card, this person is a black magician, and the Moon card, secrets are coming out. Maybe about this person people don't know what they are truly. This person may be very secretive, that maybe people don't know that this person is a black magician, because to the society or to the people around them, they are presenting themselves as the Hierophant, who is very aged person or elder person, who know a lot about spirituality, who follow a lot of traditions, rules, norms, regulations, who belongs to traditional family, who is very religious or at least a spiritualist. But I think this person, it is nothing wrong. See, if they are black magician, it is nothing wrong until unless they are using it for wrong reasons. Okay, because as a person, as an individual, everyone will have the psychic abilities. It is completely depends on us how much we are working on ourselves and how we are utilizing it. Okay, maybe this person is a hierophant. They may be really also like they know much about spirituality, they believe in spirituality, and they know a lot of things about spirituality, because this moon card is also like a psychic card, and this Gemini is also like some kind of, it is like, it is in the reverse. If it is in the upright, it is manifestation kind of white magic, like doing journals, scripting, telling people how to manifest their dreams, wishes and all. So it is in the reverse. Maybe they do black magic, they maybe interact with negative energies, they work with negative energies. Okay, so nothing wrong until unless someone is misusing their powers. Okay, and I think this person is a single person. They may be in the society. Hierophant is a marriage person. It is a little bit confusion. This person life is also like a confusion, because the Hierophant is a married person or like a guru kind of person, but here it is two of wands, like they are looking for some kind of partnerships, or they are well balanced, very knowledgeable person. They are looking for partnerships and all, but here completely they are, energy is like they are very old person. It is maybe to the society they presenting like a very elder person, who people approach them to suggestions, advices, they listen to them, they follow their rules and regulation. If at all this person tells something, they follow, at least in their community. But they have completely different, and the secrets are coming out, because the moon is in the reverse. Moon card is a secretive card, but here it is in the reverse. Let's see the outcome of this Hierophant, because it is still, even though it is a moon, it is a black magic card, still it is like confusion. It is not clear. This person is not clear, or this person's energy is not clear. They may be something, and they may be showing to the world something different, maybe double life kind of energy, because here it is young energy, here it is completely old matured person, like 60, 50, 60, 70 years old kind of. Here it is just 30 years, middle, or at least 20 middle age, like looking for the partnerships kind of energy. Let's see what is the outcome for this Hierophant. What is the outcome for the Hierophant? 3 cards. One more card. What is the outcome for the Hierophant? One more card. So here I think this Hierophant is marriage. Okay, it is not one person, maybe it is marriage. 2 people, because 2 people came out. One person is doing lot of, I don't want to say manipulation, because if the moon card did not came, I would have said that this person is manipulating. One partner is completely in manipulation. But here, moon card also came out. That means they are doing a lot of black magic on the other partner, who is like Queen of Swords energy. So in this marriage, two people are involved. This Hierophant is marriage, very traditional marriage, which happened I think with their elders' blessings, arranged marriage kind of energy. Okay, and I think their family also very traditional family. So here, these two people are not in a good connection, I can say, because one person is completely doing black magic on Queen of Swords energy, whomever they may be. One person is like a magician, but not a white magician. They are doing black magician. Why it will turn into black magic is, magician means a person who hold the coin, the cup, the wand and the sword. When you have 4 elements in your chart completely, you no need to do this black magic. You will have the ability to create that white, that means manifestation. You will become alchemy, master manifester. If at all if someone can hold this sword, this wand, pentacle and cups, they will call as manifester or master manifester. Whatever they manifest, it will come into the reality. But maybe I think this person don't hold all those things, or at least 1 or 2 things are missing in them. That is also maybe reason they may be psychic also, so they are using it in a negative way. And like when you have that 4 elements, you no need to work with negative energies, because universe will help you, because you hold that 4 elements. It is like air, earth, air, water and fire. So we will be in a place to work with our universe. So we no need to contact with these negative energies and all. But here I think this person lacks some of them. I cannot say what they lack, but they are not completely having all those 4 elements. That is also one reason. They may be psychic, so they are using that psychic abilities in a wrong way, I can say, because it is completely wrong way. That is also one reason they are working with negative energy. And why they are using that negative energy is, I think in their life, this Hierophant, whoever this married people, in their life there is someone Queen of Swords energy, like very strict, very strong, very honest, very blunt, and they may be set some kind of boundaries where people cannot take any advantage of them, or they don't want it is like they don't entertain any BS and negativity and all. This Queen of Swords is in their own energy, where they don't want to let anyone to take advantage of her. Okay, whomever they may be, whether they may be masculine or feminine, their energy is here feminine energy. Okay, they are very strict. They may be set strong boundaries where people cannot take advantage of. Maybe here for this magician also, this Queen of Swords set strong boundaries, where this magician, whoever this reverse magician, now they are unable to take the advantage of this Queen of Swords, but they want to take advantage of. Maybe that's what I said, this person lack these elements, so they may be having financial issues, or they may be having whatever, these elements is not there, so further they may be using this Queen of Swords. So that is also one reason. Now this Queen is set all the boundaries, or set some boundaries where this person cannot enter and take advantage of them. And now they are doing a lot of black magic on this Queen of Swords. And I think it may be happened in the past, because it is completely past cards. Now the secrets are coming out. The Moon card in the reverse, that means it is coming out. Whatever happened in this couple, between the couple, because it is a marriage card, Hierophant. So whatever happened in this couple, between the couple, now everything is coming out, and this person don't want the truth to come out. So it is like 7 of Wands. They are trying hardly to not come these secrets out. People should not know what they are doing. So it is 7 of Wands. They are not letting it to come. They maybe get successful whatever they are doing till now, because it is a completely past cards. I don't think it is happening currently. It happened in the past. The Moon card is in the reverse. If at all it is upright, currently it is happening, but it is in the reverse. That means whoever involved in this situation, I think this Queen of Swords came to know about it. Here, This Two of Wands is, these both people are in the connection, I think. So now this person balanced themselves. Maybe in the past this black magic happened. Now this person balanced themselves, came to know about it, what is happening in the connection or what the other partner is doing. This person is very balanced and very knowledgeable, very confident, creative. They are ready to explore the world. They are ready to start the business, start the partnerships. They are very much logical person, passionate person, creative person. I think this person, whomever they are dealing with, they are in the negative energy. So they did some negative energy towards them. They sent some negative energy, or they did something with that negative energy to this person. They came to know about it because the moon card in the reverse. So after coming to know about it, this person became like a Queen of Swords. Means now they are not letting anyone to take advantage. Especially this person should not take advantage of them. Or this person, if at all they are using anyway, taking advantage of this person, other partner, now this person sets strong boundaries. Whatever happened in the past, it should not happen. But here, I think maybe this person little bit became more, not little bit, maybe when they come to know about these things, whatever the other person is doing, other partner is doing, they became like a Queen of Swords, very dangerous queen, very intimidating personality. Like if at all something, if at all little bit mistake they did, now this time they are going to cut their throat, or they are going to cut that connection. That kind of energy. They became very strict, very strong, very strict, very intimidating energy towards this person, whoever they are dealing with. But this person finally, actually I think it is already came out, the secrets are came out, but still whoever this reverse magician who did black magic, they are hardly trying to not to come that secrets. But anyway, it came out, I think. It is already came out. This person came to know about it. That is also one reason why they came into the Queen of Swords energy. Very strict. They became very strict towards this person. But this person anyway, they are trying with their immaturity stuff. Maybe this person is trying to stop these secrets to come out to the other people, like outside. Because it may be happened in the, it is like between the four walls. Now it may be coming out. So that is also one reason this person trying hard, so that the whatever they did, it should not come out, so that people should not know that this person is doing this, because they behave like a hierophant, because very traditional family, maybe they are in the traditional marriage, so they maybe showed or presented themselves like a very traditional person who follow their traditions, who follow their spirituality or religion, whatever. They are very trustworthy person kind of energy. Okay, but the thing is completely different. So here that partner came to know about it. I don't know how much they can stop this to come out. But here I think this partner, whomever gone through this black magic, or whomever gone through this negative energies, they are healing now. This person to become balanced, they are healing now. They are coming out of that energies, negative energies. Healing is needed. Maybe they are going through some kind of healing now. I don't know what kind of. It is marriage. Completely Hierophant is a marriage. Let's see the clarifies for Five of Pentacles. 3 clarifies for Five of Pentacles. Three clarifies. Two more clarifies. Only two. Two more clarifies. So here I think in the Five of Pentacles energy, it is like someone feeling like left out in the cold. They may be dependent on someone, at least financial reasons. For financial reasons, they may be dependent someone, or someone is taking care of them till now about their materialistic things or finances and everything. But now the person whomever they are taking care of, now they are no more taking care of them. They may be left them, or they may be simply not helping them financially. So here they are feeling like left out in the cold. It is like completely orphan kind of energy. Completely someone abandoned them. They are no more ready to take their responsibilities kind of energy. Okay. So someone is going through this kind of energy, Five of Pentacles. If you think that this energy is matching with you or someone in your energy, then you can watch this reading. Okay. So it is like feeling like left out in the cold. So why it happened, or why they feeling like this situation arrived, I can say. Why this left out in the cold, or this Five of Pentacles situation arrived is, I think this person was in the third party situation, because this is Knight of Wands, Knight of Pentacles and Three of Cups. It may be kind of third party situation. Maybe this person juggled with two other people, where they may be thought that they are going to handle it, but in the end both the people may be left, or someone may be left, whomever they dependent on them. So now they are feeling like left out in the cold. Okay, so here I think whomever they dealt with, it is like Knight of Wands energy, which is very young, energetic, passionate person, who is very creative, very confident person, who is action taking kind of energy, who is ready to take the action. Okay, some kind of leader energy, or who is ready to take the action, just not sitting and thinking. He is ready to take the action. And Knight of Pentacles is like very trustworthy, very honest, very loyal person, who is ready to start something new. This person is very much ready to start something new, especially in the partnerships. They look for perfect partner with whom they can start something new. It is in the sense of business, in the sense of relationship. This person very much ready to do it, but when they are looking for that partnership, they want same things like loyalty, that stability, the trustworthiness. They look for that qualities is very much important for this person, because this person also promise keeper. This energy is like a promise keeper. So I think these two people are in the connection, and whoever this Five of Pentacles, maybe this person came into as a third party, or whoever it is, like a third party situation. Okay, why someone is feeling like Five of Pentacles energy is because of third party situation, because here Three of Cups energy is there. So it is completely third party situation. Finally, either both the people left them, or one of them, whomever they dependent on, that person left them. So now they end up in that Five of Pentacles. Let's see the outcome for the Five of Pentacles. Three outcomes for the Five of Pentacles. Two more cards. Two more outcomes for the Five of Pentacles. Two more outcomes. One more. So here outcome for the Five of Pentacles is, I think, as I said, it may be three party situation. Someone is here in the three party situation. So finally So here outcome for the Five of Pentacles is Page of Pentacles, Page of Cups and Seven of Cups in the reverse. So here I think, here these people, maybe whoever involved in this situation or third party situation, they maybe had lot of options. It is not exactly like a third party situation. It is maybe like they are looking for the partner. They may be just looking for the right partner, because this Knight of Wands is like a very action oriented, very passionate person, very energetic, young energy person, and this Knight of Pentacles is ready for the partnerships. So I don't think they are get involved with anyone. It is like simply they may be dealing with multiple choices, because the Seven of Cups also came out. So they may be dealing with a lot of options in their life. Three of Cups is like they may be already having some people, or they simply want to, it is like finalizing their options kind of energy, where whether this one is right, this one, like prioritizing, like priority number 1, 2, 3 kind of energy. Okay, so in that way maybe they dealt with some people. Maybe here I'm not sensing they're dealing with someone kind of energy, because here there is no king and queen energies. It is like completely immature energies. Knight of Wands, Knight of Pentacles is also young energies. Page of Pentacles, Page of Cups also like a kid energies. So here Knight of Wands is going to get some kind of new beginning. It is a very small beginning, like a friendship kind of beginning, because this person is very, they are also looking for some kind of new beginning. It is not that they are looking, as I said, this person can take action, they can create their own new beginnings, that energy. But anyway, they are going to receive this Page of Pentacles, which is like a friendship kind of energy. Okay, someone is going to come towards them, or they are going to towards someone who will be like their friend. And this Knight of Pentacles is waiting for some kind of partnership which is very stable, loyal and all. But I think here in the financial sense, I don't know, but in the love area they are going to receive some kind of love opportunity or apology. More than love, I can say here, this Five of Pentacles energy, whomever this person left out in the cold, or whomever felt like they left out in the cold, so this person is, I cannot say who is who. Either this Five of Pentacles, someone left out in the cold, so now they are looking for some kind of stable opportunity. So they are not going to get that stable opportunity immediately, but they are going to receive either apology or love opportunity. Okay, maybe here this person is looking for financial opportunity, but here they are going to receive Page of Cups can be love opportunity, or proposing someone, or as simple as asking for the forgiveness. Maybe this person, because of their immaturity, they left someone in the cold, so now they are coming towards them, or giving that apology. Okay, so now here I cannot say clearly who is who, because it is clumsy situation. Even you can know that third party situation, I always say 1, 2 is okay, but 3 is crowd. And here Seven of Cups in the reverse, there are so many options. Now it is finally, they may be not looking at options, I can say, because Seven of Cups in the reverse. I think this Five of Pentacles, whoever currently feeling like left out in the cold, that person maybe had so many options. So because of that options, in that confusion, they dealt with multiple people. So without knowing that, it is going to hurt, or it is going to hurt other people, because this person is a very loyal person, honest person, trustworthy person. That's why I said they may be not dealt in the serious level. It is like they may be just seeing which option is right, which is right option to get involved, get that partnership. So in that process, they kept some people or 2 people in the third party situation, and in that one person felt left out in the cold. So finally they are going to get love, or they are going to get some apology for whatever they did. Okay, whomever it may be. Okay, you can understand very well, because it is a crowdy thing. I cannot clearly say that who is who did it, because two people are there. Here three party situation is there. One is completely left out in the cold. One is going to receive the friendship. One is going to receive the love. Now I cannot say who is going to receive love, who is going to receive friendship. So here the justice card. Let's see what kind of justice is it, so that once we get the complete picture, we can understand in what way where it is linking to each other, the energies where it is matching. Okay. So let's get the clarity. Clarifies for the justice. 3 clarifies for the justice. 3 clarifies for the justice. 3 clarifies. One more. Only one. One more. All are in the reverse, even though I hold all in the upright. So here the justice card is like a karma card, or if it is, here I am not sensing any legal issues, maybe it is like a karma card. Whatever happened in the situation, someone is going to get their karma. So I think this karma is related to these two energies. Okay, so we will come to these energies again once we completely get the outcome of that justice card. Okay, so that karma card, so we can see how these energies are linked with each other and who is going to get what kind of karma. Okay, so here as of now for this justice we got 3 clarifies. One is the emperor in the reverse, one is wheel of fortune in the reverse, one is king of pentacles in the reverse. So finally one is who is emperor in the position, they are going to lose their position. They are going to, if at all they have any kind of organization, they are going to lose that business or that position, at least not the business, maybe it is like head of the business, they are going to lose that position. That maybe it is like they may be manipulating people, they are taking advantage of people, they are misusing their powers. That is also one reason they are going to get that karma is some way they misused or some mistake they did, because of that they are getting that karma, that they are going to lose that position, whatever that may be. If at all it is a husband position, they are going to lose that husband position. If at all it is a head of the business, they are going to lose that head of the company position. And one is wheel of fortune. It is nothing but just karma is nothing but wheel of fortune in the reverse. If it is upright, wheel is turning in your favor. It is in the reverse, wheel is not in your favor. As simple as it is. So here I think 2 people are there. King of Pentacles. This person, whoever in the King of Pentacle energy, they may be very stable, very grounded, very wealthy person, but now they lost everything, or they are going to lose everything because of that karma. I think 2 people are involved here. Whatever that justice is there, 2 people are going to get that karma. This wheel of fortune is, maybe in the past this wheel of fortune is in the upright for these people. That is also one reason they are in the position of the emperor and the King of Pentacles. Very good positions where people can trust them, people can reliable. It is like people can rely on them, people can do some kind of business, having a lot of trust in the society, because the emperor, it is some kind of position, and the King of Pentacles, some kind of stability, groundedness, wealthy, rich, so having some kind of respect in the society. So their karma is, now their wheel is turning in the reverse, so they are going to lose that position. Whoever emperor, they are going to lose that emperor position. Whoever this King of Pentacles, they are going to lose their pentacles. Means they are going to get broke, or they are going to lose their ground. Whatever it may be, their ground may be their business or their materialistic things, they are going to lose. Mostly here materialistic things. Materialistically they will be having nothing. It is their karma. Because not just justice, even we got wheel of fortune in the reverse. That is nothing but karma. So let's see the outcome for this justice. Anyway, we saw what is their karmas. Let's see what will happen to them. Now, 3 outcomes for the justice. 3 outcomes for the justice. 2 more. 2 more outcomes for the justice card. 2 more. 1 more. 1 more outcome for the justice. Only one. One more outcome. Card don't want to come. One more. So here the outcome for the justice is, for the emperor it is King of Swords in the reverse. For the wheel of fortune, I think here only one person is going to get the beginnings, new beginnings in their life. They are going to see the truth, I can say, or justice will be slow. Maybe this King of Swords is going to King of Pentacles. Maybe it is the same person, because King of Pentacles in the reverse, King of Swords in the reverse. When the kings are reversed, that is nothing but emperor is in the reverse. So here, whoever this emperor, they are going to lose their power. That's what. The emperor is nothing but losing their power. I think this King of Swords energy, they may be emperor. They may be used to control the people with their voice, or I can say they may be used to have people who give importance, or who is like even emperor also authoritative person. So they are going to lose that power. They have that emperor also same thing. I don't need to tell again. Okay. So here I think whoever the emperor, reverse emperor, they are going to lose the power, and because of that, it is like they are going to lose that. King of Swords is very organized person, structured person. So they lost that structure. That is also one reason they became reverse emperor. They should be very structured, very organized. Everything should be in their control, but they lost that control, they lost that structure, they lost that organization, whatever it may be. Even though in their own life also they may be not in a position to organize themselves. So that is also one reason why they became the reverse emperor. That means they lost that power. Whatever power they had, they lost that power. This is a leader kind of energy, King of Swords. They used to just control the people, or just a leadership kind of energy. They lost that power. Okay, So here I think whoever this King of Pentacles, they lost their money. So finally they came to know about some kind of truth, or they are going to find out some kind of truth, what happened in the situation, or why they became King of Pentacles in the river, why they lost their pentacles, or why they end up in the broke position, because King of Pentacles is reverse in nothing but some kind of broke energy. And so they will come to know the truth about all those things, why they lost their money, or why they lost their materialistic things, and they are going to have some kind of new beginning. But I think it is in the passionate area. That is also like a one kind of business proposal, or one kind of creative project which they are going to take up after seeing the truth, after finding out the truth. Maybe this person, because of having money, they did not it is like one energy is like King of Pentacle energy is like they simply throw the money by the people, or they simply deal everything with money because they will have that money without even seeing complete truth, without understanding complete clarity, or without having complete knowledge. If at all someone come to them and ask them to invest in something, they are not the person who used to think and see the truth about that project, or asking the things in the clarity, or keeping the things in the transparent way. They have money and people will come and suggest them to invest here and there. They used to invest blindly. They maybe did that kind of mistake. That is also one reason they maybe lost all the wealth. Now they are, after losing everything, they understood. They came to know about some kind of truths, like whom to believe, whom should not believe, what kind of investment they should do, what kind of investment they should not do. Maybe that lessons they may be learned. That is also one reason they are going to get some kind of new beginning, which is like some kind of creative business project where they can start again so that they can earn again. Ace of Wands, new beginnings in the professional matters, or in the passionate creative projects matters. Okay, I think here this Emperor, they are not getting justice because they are losing all that power, or they are unable to organize themselves. They lost that organization, or they lost that logical brain. Here King of Swords is very logical person. They are losing their logic. They are not using their logic. That is also one reason they lost their position. See, if at all you are head of some organization, Emperor is head of some organization, you should be logical, or else we cannot handle that position. This person lost that logical brain. That is why they lost that position. So here let's conclude the reading. We got all the clarifies and outcomes. So here the Hierophant, whoever involved in the marriage, because I think it is a marriage kind of energy, or at least people who behave, someone is like a very traditional person, very religious person, but they did something wrong in the behind the scenes. Okay, they maybe it is like, why I am not completely telling marriage is Two of Wands is there. Like one person is very single, very much ready for the partnership kind of energy, eligible bachelor kind of energy. So I cannot say that it is a partnership. Okay. So anyway, but it is like very traditional card. Maybe that person is some head of some institution, or they belong to some traditional family in the society. They may be having some kind of name or honorable position where people treat them like a belong to a traditional family, or religious people, spiritual people, that kind of energy. Okay, but this person did something dark which is not appreciated, and so because of that, one thing here I am sensing, they may be going to jail. I cannot say what they did with the dark, but here this King of Swords sword is very strong. This person took the stand, I can say, or they came across, if at all it is not marriage, this Queen of Swords, whomever they may be, they came into their power and intimidated this person one way or other way. Maybe this person want to take advantage of this King of Swords, but because of their energy, because of King of Swords is very strong energy, they won't entertain anything. That's what. No BS, no negativity, no toxicity. So they maybe cut this negative energy also. Now this person, I cannot say clearly how intense that energy or what negative energy they did, because here clarity is not there, and here I'm not ready to pull more cards and get into deep. But anyway, for that secrets are coming out. Okay, secrets are coming out. This person hardly trying that secrets should not come, but anyway they are going to end up in jail. They are not going to. I think this King of Swords is going to put them, or they do something which will, it is like because of this King of Swords these secrets are coming out. Either they may be married with this King of Swords, or they may be having some kind of traditional connection. So that is also one reason. This King of Swords, whomever that person is going to give that punishment, like putting them in jail. Okay, putting them in jail. Here I cannot say what is exactly is. Now I think this person, whoever this Queen of Swords, they are healing, because this person did some black magic on them also. This person is in the Four of Swords energy, which is like taking rest or healing energy, healing or taking rest. If this person kept some negative energy on this person also, now this person is healing from that negative energy. But this person came to know about that person, whatever they did, what the other person, whatever they are doing. Initially they maybe don't know it, because they present themselves as a different version to the society, to the people. So now this person came to know about the truth, because Queen of Sword is one kind of truth. They came to know about the truth. They will do something to put this person in jail, and they will get healed from this energy, whatever negative energy they send. So here I think it is completely different energies, because here there is no Knight of Wands, there is no Pentacle. Maybe this is completely different story. This energy is completely different, but these two energies are matching with each other. Okay, some way or other way, maybe these people are matching with each other, or their energies are connected. Because Three of Cups is there, Seven of Cups in the reverse means there are so many people involved in this situation. A group of people, I can say, one kind of group of people, one kind of either friendship group, or it is Three of Cups is friend group, one kind of friend group. So here one person in that friend group feeling like a left out in the cold, and so now they are going to get apology. Whoever feeling that left out in the cold, they are going to get apology. And Knight of Wands, whoever very creative person, they are going to get some kind of new beginning in their life, but it is a very small new beginning, like a friendship level new beginning, or some kind of a small career related project. They are going to get it. Okay, here I think finally whatever options they maybe had, they are dropping all that options. They don't want to deal with any options, because a lot of things happen in this. It is completely messy situation. A lot of crowd is there. The energy also like crowdiness is there. And the karma for, I think here these two people match with, one is Emperor. Maybe here whoever that Emperor, maybe this King of Pentacle is Five of Pentacle. Whoever left out in the cold, now they are going through some kind of financial issues. That person is this King of Pentacle, because they lost all that money. And here Five of Pentacle is dealing with some kind of financial crisis. And why they are dealing with financial crisis is, without knowing the truth, they trusted. As simple as it is. Without knowing the truth, they trusted people. And that is the reason why they end up in that Five of Pentacle energy. So finally this person is anyway going to get that justice. Now maybe in the past they did something, because King of Pentacle is also materialistic person who only speaks about money. They don't know what about the love and all, affection and all. And this Five of Pentacle also like a materialistic person who don't know the value of relationships, friendships, genuinity. So that is also one reason. Maybe it is like a karma to understand this King of Pentacles, what is important, what is not, whom to trust, whom should not trust. So it is like some kind of lessons. That is also one reason Wheel of Fortune in the reverse. They are learning the lessons. So whoever is left out in the cold energy, they are King of Pentacles. They are finally going to see the truth and learn some lessons so that they can get the new opportunity, which is like some business proposal where they can start something new, creative project kind of energy. Again, they can get out of this Five of Pentacles. Okay. Or at least having some connection or sexual relationship, because passionate card, Ace of Wands is some kind of passionate card. So they may be going to get some partner, passionate relationship partner, or sexual partner, or romantic partner who is going to help them to get back into their position or come out of this Five of Pentacles energy. Okay. So here whoever this Emperor, so here the Emperor in the reverse and King of Swords in the reverse. I think this Magician is this King of Swords in the reverse, because why this Magician become down is if they lost, if they don't have tool, that in that 4 tools, if they miss single tool also, they cannot manifest anything. So that they will use negative energy. So I think here this person don't have this sword, or at least they cannot use their sword efficiently. That is also one reason they became black magician. Maybe they are psychic. That is also one reason they misused them. It is nothing wrong. See, everyone won't hold 4 elements. And some people are blessed with that black magic skills, who can talk or who can interact with negative energies and who can work with them. Nothing wrong. But we should not use any kind of energy, whether it is a positive, whether it is a negative, for wrong reasons. And here they used this energy, negative energy, for some wrong reasons, to manipulate the people, to manipulate the community, because the Hierophant is like people are trusting them, people are seeing them like a honorable person, and what they are doing completely different. And this Queen of Swords is going to help the people to see the truth, or help the community to see the truth, and they will get this person the punishment. It is like a jail. Maybe they did something. That's why I don't want to pull the more cards. Don't want to get into the deep. Let them be whatever they did. It happened. Anyway, this Queen of Swords will take care of it, because they did some negative shit on this Queen of Swords also. That is also one reason why now this Queen of Swords is in healing position. Okay, they are healing from that negative energy. So here I think these 2 people are, one is Emperor, who is this black magician. They are not going to have any kind of new beginning. They are going to lose the position. That Hierophant, very honorable position. Emperor, the great position in the society, or at least people see them as a boss, higher authority person. They are going to lose their position. And whoever this Five of Pentacles, they are going to learn the lessons. People are important, not the money. Because of that money, they are not going to juggle with the people, because it is completely 3, 7 of cups. Maybe they are very materialistic person. That is also one reason they are running for the money, or running for that opportunities. So finally end up in the Five of Pentacles energy. So they will learn the lessons. They will understand what is right, what is wrong, whom to trust, whom should not trust, how to get the quality relationships, healthy relationships. And that is also one reason, after learning that lessons, they will get this Ace of Wands new beginning, which is passionate, some kind of business proposal or some kind of romantic relationship, which is very passionate. Okay, because this King of Pentacles is only having money. This person maybe just gave importance to money, nothing more than that. They maybe not thought about love, passion, compassion, relationships, nothing. And now because of this karma, in that karma they are going to learn the lessons. They are going to understand what is right, what is wrong. Then they will get this beginning. So here this Emperor is going to lose that position. So thank you for watching. I think for some people it is going to match, because completely energies are, it is like some kind of friend group. It is not maybe there are group of people, there are some kind of group of people, so between that, because it is a crowdy energy also, I'm feeling like a lot of crowdiness. I feel very messy because I'm a minimalist. I love minimalism, I love minimalist lifestyle. I don't, that is also one reason I won't keep anything on my table when I'm doing reading. People will keep some stones and all, I don't like. I want cleanliness. It is not cleanliness. Some people want a lot of things, but I get irritated. So whenever I see this kind of energies, it is like irritate me a lot. And moreover, it is situation also like very clumsy, messy kind of situation. So anyway, I think one energy is matching. You can watch other energies so that you can understand who is that person. Maybe because this energy, other energies also attach to your energy. Okay. So thank you for watching. For more readings, you can like and subscribe. For personal readings, you can mail me. You will find the details in description box.